Aluminum profiles, seemingly ordinary industrial materials, are quietly penetrating into every aspect of modern life. At XingQiu Aluminium, quality is our foundation, and innovation is our future. As a professional OEM aluminum supplier, we serve global partners with precision and flexibility. As a senior practitioner in the aluminum profile industry, XingQiu specializes in the production of various aluminum profiles. Today, let's take a look at these two types of aluminum profiles: door and window aluminum profiles and shower room aluminum profiles. For example, 6263 T5 aluminum profiles are widely used in building window frames, taking into account lightweight and wind pressure resistance. From sliding windows to casement window systems, we offer a full range of aluminum profiles with custom surface treatments and sizes, all designed with durability, thermal insulation, and aesthetics in mind. In addition to window and door aluminum profiles, we also specialize in providing shower enclosure aluminum profiles that are both practical and beautiful. These profiles are moisture-proof and have a sleek, modern look that enhances the overall ambience of your bathroom. Our commitment to quality means that every product we supply is rigorously tested to ensure that it meets the highest industry standards. Whether it is door and window aluminum profiles or shower room aluminum profiles, we provide one-stop services from mold design, aluminum profile extrusion, to surface treatment. Our products not only have excellent corrosion resistance and ultra-long service life, but also take environmental protection and sustainability into consideration. Aluminum can be 100% recycled, truly achieving green manufacturing and recycling. From standard profiles to project-specific customization, XingQiu Aluminium is your one-stop aluminum solution supplier. Let's build a strong supply chain together.